Introducing the DSIoT IoT Education Kit, a modular, professional-grade system designed to bring real-world IoT development into vocational education. At its heart is the RAK4631 WIS block module, combining a powerful microcontroller with LoRa communication, enabling long-range, low-power data transmission. The kit integrates a wide range of sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, air quality, soil moisture, UV light, and even seismic activity, allowing students to collect precise environmental data. Data is transmitted through a LoRaWAN gateway and visualized on cloud platforms, where learners can create dashboards and analyze results in real time. By working with this complete IoT ecosystem, students move beyond theory, designing, building, and deploying solutions for smart agriculture, environmental monitoring, and sustainability challenges.